I like a punk rock chick with hair just like Rihanna, like a go-go girl who dance like Lady Gaga. They the girls that start the party. So baby, could it be you? Could it be you?
Oh. You got excuse me, we're making a video. You cannot be in it. Get out.
Oh, that's why I'm over here.
Like, no, we can hear you.
That's cool. Do you want some hot chocolate?
If you make it for me.
If you make it for me.
And Brianna.
Oh, okay.
You don't want any?
No, thank you. Are you sure it's really good? And chocolatey.
I
can make my own if you want me to. I can do it.
She's a nice lady. Bye. She's a maid. Oh,
Ding ding.
Ew, I bet you did.
Are you guys commenting?
Just typed this with my tongue. Ew, I bet you did. That's rude. My dog's in here. Hoorah. Hi, Sparky. It's not your name. Oh, what if I think? Hello.
I'm Matt.
Steven. Why?
Because he makes me mad.
Naughty, naughty. Naughty, naughty Kool-Aid.
Because he won't call us because he doesn't like us.
Now I'm. That really hurt, Charlie.
I'm
No,
gonna
that really
tag him in-
hurt.
Are you okay?
Baby. Ow! I shouldn't have done that. What was I thinking? My foot's numb.
What was you thinking?
My foot's numb. Can't feel it.
Guess that?
I'm gonna kiss it.
Well, you didn't tell me that you can suck your own toe, which is kind of weird. You're so flexible, Priscilla.
Did it?
I like the way you move.
Ouch. I got some dog hair in my mouth.
Dog hair.
God, I think I hit
Your funny bone.
one of these little things.
Vein.
Yeah. It's awkward. Everyone's looking at my leg right now. Just kidding. Don't do that. I'm with Jake and he's talking to Sam and she's pissed at him. Well, they can read it.
Who's that?
I did it.
Did what?
Typed a message with his tongue.
No, he didn't.
Steven,
Stop lying.
why are you not calling? That's my angry
I'm
face.
mad.
I'm just really pissed off right now. Just so bad. I can't even no, I'm so bad. No, really.
Yeah, you're mad at Steven, right?
Yeah.
I can make that face.
Just my angry face.
Awesome, baby.
Yeah. I'm just so pissed off at Steven right now. My foot hurts. I hit a vein.
He said that's why. He meant to say here. I forgot that word. I guess so.
Oh, she's so nice. Yeah, thanks so much, Peachy.
Thank you.
I just called you Peachy.
I don't know how I just like to do it.
Thanks, Gertrude.
Love you, Paul. Look at these.
She made us
Enjoy
hot
it,
chocolate. I told you. I want you guys to have to listen to Sam and Jake screaming at each other. I don't mind.
Tell him to go in his closet again.
That's where he goes to do all his personal stuff.
I'm not dirty way, but you know.
Go in your closet. Little marshmallow. I'm gonna be a chipmunk, ready? Maybe. Sound good. Happy for the winter.
Look at all the little ones.
What would you do if I had cheeks like this? Would you still be my friend?
You sort of Yes, I would. Because you're still my friend after all the disgusting so much. I just got a bunch of little marshmallows.
Facebook? No. Want some teas and crumpet? I just said that wrong.
Want some teas and crumpet?
That didn't make any sense.
Hey,
Pinkies
get
up.
your donut. That's what old people do.
Donuts. Oh, they're good. Look! A message! They can't see it.
How come they can see my phone?
Ah! Whoa, what was that about? There's two? Why? Why is there two? Please tell me. What'd you say? Gals. Gals.
Who said that?
There's no room. I would call you guys if I could.
No, he wouldn't, because if he could, which he
Gals.
can, he would by now, but he's not, so
There's no room. Make room.
tell him that if he really loved us,
Said make room. With some dots.
my cheeks just normally this hot.
No, they're not.
Yeah.
No, not so much. I'd still be your friend though. This one's gonna go on YouTube, right? Well, you got to drink with your pinky up.
Nobody's ever wanted to be my friend.
Okay. You know. This is a sad day. No, really. I only have 2 marshmallows left.
Oh, yeah.
You're not the boss.
Not the boss.
Why won't Desiree's my cousin? Why won't she talk to me? Like, I don't get it. Like, all my other cousins talk to me.
And then she blocks me.
Yeah, she blocked me too. We're just
All I was trying to do is tell
we're
her
bad
that-
people. Enough said.
I was simply trying to tell her that she's just a little tubby. And you're Are you okay?
That was tough, but I got through it. What you gonna do when things get hard in life? You just gotta
You're just gonna swallow your pride. Yeah, do it.
you gotta swallow your hot chocolate and just go. You alright? Who's choking now? Hey guys, I'm back. No, I'm not. I'm dead. Rough, like a dungeon dragon. Look at my butt.
Mine too? Ow. It hurts when I hit them together. They're so cold.
Man, warm.
Unless that's a bad word.
Oops. Shut your mouth.
Okay. I'll be Steven.
Yeah, you can see this, right?
Not yet.
Not yet. They will.
I don't care. He knows he does it. He walks around going, onto my smells. I'm just
I
kidding.
like a punk rock chick with hair just like Rihanna, like a go-go girl who dance like Lady Gaga. Look at me now. I'm getting paper.
Yum yum jigga.
I can't. I keep laughing.
Me too.
And then I choke. And I see, I see the light. Today, a bus went by.
I was just gonna say that.
Really?
Yeah, I'm dead curious.
You're dead curious.
Yep. I meant, you know. Turn table.
Close enough to Star Wars.
Sorry about the mess in here, guys.
This is my first YouTube video, and people told me that I can sing, but I think I can sing, and I've never took like any chorus or anything. But just like tell me if you like it. Don't be mean because just don't be mean. Just kidding. This isn't my first YouTube video. Hurl bug. I look. Nope.
I feel like I got marshmallow on my
Look
hands.
so much better
With
with my glasses on. Gibby from iCarly, he's in my gym class. He really is. And Jack Sparrow, you know him? He's in there too. His name's Curtis, and the other one's name's Arthur.
What about Sammy?
Well,
Sammy.
who's Sammy?
I'm really sure. Is she in there?
No, just Gibby and Jack Sparrow.
Oh man, maybe she'll be in my
They
gym
look
class.
just like the people. Gibby's just he's really cool. His name's Arthur.
Arthur?
Arthur?
You should be wearing your glasses.
I can't.
Can't what?
Oh no, I don't remember what I said. Make room. I can't. Rude.
This is 16 something.
That's okay. Everyone's gonna love it. My plates in my house, they're the same color as this. Are you jealous?
Incoming message rejected due to phone memory.
Why is this happening? It always happens to me. Why can't they just be unlimited? Like, it never fills up because that'd be cooler. I'm sorry.
No, he's not.
Nope. No, you're not. Steven, you're not sorry.
He always says it's just a cop out.
Wait. Ready?
That's the Steven.
Try it. It's so much fun. You have to like
Should I
wipe
wear the
your
glasses?
gums off if
Oh.
you want to.
I don't have to.
Here you go.
Go on my face.
Look at it.
Wait, let me do this first.
Kason sent me a picture.
No way.
Snow is like
What a pervert.
Snow is like a cock. It's measured in inches, soft to the touch, comes when you least expect it, and never gets as deep as you'd like it. Driving in the snow is like eating pussy. If you don't slow down and pay attention, you could slide into the asshole in front of you. Ew. Be careful this winter. Whoever stops this will be unhappy for the first 5 months of 2012. Tell 9 people you noticed them.
I already.
You know, I have another pair.
Yeah?
What did I tell you about saying that?
Sorry?
Yep. Told him not to ever say it again.
I told him the same thing.
Didn't listen. Nice.
These look nice on me too, huh?
You look like Beyonce. Don't mind my fatness.
Priscilla. She just.
Not gonna lie to them.
I got fatness. Hey. We all got some fatness.
I'm hungry. Just think everyone should be able to should see these. You like them? 'Cause I know I do. They hurt my pinky toes though. It's kinda not okay. Nah, nah. That sounds so cool. I wanna do it. Come on, you little sucker. Slippery. Nah.
Look. I got my tongue here. Look at me, that bitch.
I'm getting paper.
You get in bed with me?
Yep.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
How you doing?
No, I'm just being Sarah.
You guys want to hear a story? Well, I don't have one. This is almost like 30 minutes long.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Toodaloo, mother.